Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Volkswagen Atlas Easy Guide. Grab a pencil, eraser, ruler, and a sheet of paper, then sketch the main rectangles and ovals to map the body and wheel positions. Keep your lines light and loose so adjustments are easy. Focus on getting the roof height, wheelbase, and stance right before adding details like doors, windows, and the characteristic grille. Now refine proportions and contours with measured adjustments and confident strokes. Compare the wheel size to the body length and tweak spacing until the cabin sits naturally above the wheels. Soften or sharpen the hood and fender lines to capture the model's muscular presence. Keep erasing construction marks and reinforce only the strongest lines. This stage sets the foundation for recognizable details and believable perspective. Next, add the defining details that sell the Volkswagen Atlas look with deliberate, relaxed strokes. Focus on the grille bars and VW badge, shape the headlights with their unique angles, and trace window trims and door seams crisply. Sketch wheels with basic spoke shapes and hint at tire depth using shadows. Keep shading minimal and purposeful so the drawing reads clearly without becoming muddy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.